All right, let's get right into it. For years, I've trained thousands of students. I've broken down every single exam pattern there is. And I've built a blueprint that works, one that puts people right into the Indian Railways. And you know what? Today, that exact blueprint is all yours.
Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with AK. We're not wasting any time today, let's get straight to the mission.
So let me ask you, is a railway job your dream? See, here's the thing, a dream without a solid plan, it's just a wish. But you're not here to wish, you're here to win. And making that dream a reality for you, well, that's my responsibility, that's my job.
Okay, first things first, we have to decode the exam battlefield. Look, to win any battle, you've got to understand the terrain, right? And the RRB exams, I'm talking NTPC, Group D, ALP, all of them, they aren't just a test of what you know. They're a test of your strategy, pure and simple. Now take a look at this. This right here simplifies your entire fight. See the table? NTPC, Group D, ALP. What do you notice? They all share the exact same core subjects: maths, reasoning, and general awareness. So what does that mean for you? It means you don't need 10 different study plans. No way. You need one powerful master strategy. And this is where we begin our attack. So, I have to ask, are you ready? Because right now, the game really begins. And you know what? The game starts with your defense. This number right here, -1/3, this is the single biggest trap on the entire battlefield. For every single wrong answer, you lose 1/3 of a mark. Think about that. It's not just a penalty, it's like a wound that sets you back. Every careless guess you make can cancel out a perfectly good answer you got right. So remember this, accuracy isn't some bonus feature, it's your armor.
All right, with our defense sorted, let's build our attack strategy. Your entire success is going to rest on 4 key pillars. If you master these 4 subjects, trust me, the job is as good as yours. So let's break them down one by one. I want you to look at this chart as your target map. We're using the Group D exam as a perfect example here. Just look at the numbers. General science and maths, together, they make up a massive 65% of your total score. This isn't me guessing, this is hard data. This tells you exactly where to focus your energy, your attack.
Okay, pillar number 1, general science. And listen, focus is everything here. Don't even think about trying to learn the entire universe. Your target is simple, the 10th standard CBSE syllabus. That's it. For physics, you absolutely have to nail laws of motion and electricity. In chemistry, the periodic table, that's your command center. And in biology, human anatomy and diseases are non-negotiable. These aren't just topics, they are high-value targets that show up over and over again.
Next up, pillar 2, mathematics. And let me be clear, this isn't just about memorizing formulas. It's a game of speed and accuracy. Your main targets? They're in arithmetic. Percentage, profit and loss, time and work. I can almost guarantee you'll see questions from these areas. You have to be able to solve them in seconds, not minutes. After that, you strengthen your base with core concepts like the number system and BODMAS. These are the foundation for everything else.
Pillar number 3, reasoning. Now, this isn't about complicated math. This is about sharp battlefield logic. I want you to think of these questions as enemy codes that you need to crack. Syllogism, coding, decoding, seating arrangements, these are the most common codes you're going to face. You need to practice them until you see the patterns almost instantly. This whole section is designed to be a high-scoring zone for you if you train your mind for speed. And now for our final pillar, general awareness. I know this section can feel like a huge, endless ocean, but we're not just sailing into it blindly. We're launching a targeted strike. Your primary target is current affairs from the last 6 to 8 months. And within that, focus hard on sports, awards, and government schemes. For the static part, lock your sights onto the Indian freedom struggle. It's a favorite topic for the examiners. Seriously, don't waste your energy anywhere else until these key targets are taken care of.
Okay, so now you understand the battlefield. You know the 4 pillars of victory. Now it's time for the weapon. This is my exclusive strategy. This is the method that has turned countless students into officers. So I need you to pay very close attention. The formula itself is simple, but it's deadly effective. Just 3 steps. Step 1, you mastered those high-weightage topics we just went over. No excuses, no exceptions. Step 2, you solve at least the last 5 years of previous year questions. This is more than just practice, okay? This is reconnaissance. You're getting inside the examiner's head. And finally, step 3, you dominate with mock tests. This is your combat simulation. It's where you build that lightning speed and perfect your aim when the pressure is on. All right,
These are your rules of engagement. This is literally your playbook for how to win. You must solve PYQs and mocks over and over again, but do not burn yourself out with crazy 10-hour study sessions. It doesn't work. Do keep your focus on those core, high-weightage subjects, and please do not delay your preparation. The battle isn't next month, it's right now. And maybe the most important rule of all, do not panic in the exam hall. Your training is your greatest strength.
Okay, now for a little secret weapon. This is a trick that gives my students a huge edge. See, the RRB has changed its tactics, especially in general science. They're not just asking for boring textbook definitions anymore. No, they're testing what I call everyday science. Things like, why does a car's rearview mirror work the way it does? Or what's the actual science behind a pressure cooker? You have to connect the concepts you learn in books to the real world around you. This shift in your thinking, that is the key to cracking their new code.
So think about it. You have the blueprint, you have the strategy, you even have the secret weapon. From this exact moment forward, there is absolutely no backing down.
All right, let's pull all of this together. Think of this as your final mission briefing. I want you to memorize this, live by it, and I promise you, you will win.
So here it is, your complete blueprint to victory. Number 1, decode that common exam pattern. Number 2, master the 4 scoring pillars: science, maths, reasoning, and GA. Number 3, execute the 3-step formula: high priority topics, PYQs, and mock tests. Number 4, apply the everyday science trick. And finally, number 5, follow the rules of engagement, the do's and don'ts. You do this, and that's how you secure your job in the railways.
You know, when I look at you, I don't just see students or aspirants. I see you for what you are about to become. So from the bottom of my heart, all the best, future officers. Look, the mission has only just begun. For more strategies like this, for more detailed breakdowns, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let's go win this thing together.